Come test drive the 2015 K900. The Kia K900 provides everything you could ask for in a luxury sedan. High-quality interior craftsmanship is met with a muscular but elegant exterior styling. The K900 also offers the latest in technology integration and a long list of upscale features, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.